Freedom Street Garage, welcome back to another video. Us and the team have made it out to SEMA 2022. We have a little sneak peek for you guys. This is the 2022 Hellcat SRT. Not saying it's not in the future, but this could be one of our next future giveaway cars. Follow me and let's go check out some American muscle cars at SEMA 2022. that is it for another video. Shout out to Covercraft for featuring our SRT Hellcat in their booth today. If you enjoyed this video, throw it a thumbs up, comment below which was your favorite car, and don't forget we are giving away a 650 horsepower 2022 Camaro ZL1 to one of you guys, so don't forget to get signed up today.